Hello, my name is Idris Kafori, and I'll be showing you my final project for IT332. So first, I would like to point out that it is Windows 2016 server, and up here you can see the name Gafori Final Project. So if I just go ahead and hit Control Delete on the right side, you can see the Active Directory domain services is currently up and working properly. So let me just go ahead and put in the password for my account. See, there we go. So first things first, let me just go ahead, open up the server manager, and let that load up for a second. You can see I have the Active Directory domain services again installed, as you saw with the login. The DNS is installed, domain name services, and the IIS is installed. So if I just give you a little sneak peek of what's going on back here, you can see if I expand this, click here, see I have everything. Note that the FTP is up here. And if you look at the local, everything is running just fine. Let's close out of this. And next, just give you another peek at the IIS manager. And if you go here, just expand this, you can see that I have all the sites that I need for this project, plus the intranet as well. So if it's already open, so just let me close. Actually, I'll just keep it open since we need to look at it later anyways. So first things first, um, no, I had it not connected to the IP address that we wanted because we will have to go and use the internet to go to the Joomla site. So just first things first, localhost. You can see this is the message that we want. This is my web page running IIS and server, and this is my DNS domain. Hopefully it'll help me get another 100. And next, let me just see what we need. Yeah. So if I come over here to the localhost, you can see that this is up and running, and it says the Apache is running. Oh, actually, I can just quickly bring that up too, just to show. You can see right here that the Apache's server is running. You can see right here a little bit more proof of the Apache. If I go to the C program files, you can see that the Apache is installed and all the files are here. But enough of that. So hopefully this will also help me get 100. The Apache running on my final project server on my idrismason.edu. Next, I think I want to hit the DNS. So that was idrismason.edu, and you can see that again, this IIS running on my project, on my domain. Hopefully it'll help me get 100. This is up and running properly, and I believe next, as we saw earlier in the settings, that the FTP was working in the IIS settings. So here we go. This is the FTP, and you see that's up and running. It's running properly. Next, we'll go to uh, the Joomla page. So I believe it was Gafori final.joomla.com, and this is the one that would have to be customized at the main page. And you see that it is up and running. And I thank you for viewing my project, and I had a blast doing it. And I hope that it helps me get 100. Thank you. Goodbye.